Hey everyone, need citations fast? Lumio AI can automatically generate them for your research in just few clicks. Let's get through the steps. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for Lumio AI and then open the official site. And sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. And in the dashboard, start a new project. And here there's a prompt box. Enter your research topic and your idea. You can be specific and detailed about what you want the AI to do. You can also add articles, websites, or PDFs to your Lumio project, and the AI will analyze these sources. And here inside your project, click on Cite or Generate Citation, or you can prompt the AI to do or provide a proper citation option, and you can select or type what citation style that you want, if it's APA format or more. And then the Lumio AI will instantly create the citation. You can copy it to your paper, export the full bibliography. And that's it. With Lumio AI, generating citations is automatic, quick, and accurate. You can use just prompt. So you can focus on writing instead of formatting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.